What is an IP address when setting up a VPN? Imagine trying to send a letter without an address. It would never reach the right person. That's similar to what an IP address does for your device on a network. When you set up a virtual private network, or VPN, your device needs a way to be identified and communicate securely. That's where an IP address comes in. It is a unique number assigned to your device when you connect to the VPN. Think of it as a digital address that tells other devices where you are on the network. When you connect to a VPN, the VPN server assigns your device an IP address from its pool of available addresses. This address helps route your data to the right destination. It's like giving your device a temporary mailing address within the VPN network. Without this address, your device would have no way to send or receive data properly. It's essential for making sure your messages reach the correct device and that responses come back to you. Your VPN IP address also plays a big role in protecting your privacy. Normally, your internet service provider assigns your device a public IP address that reveals your location and who you are online. When you use a VPN, your real IP is hidden. Instead, the VPN's IP address is what other websites and services see. This masks your actual location and makes it harder for anyone to track you. It's a key part of staying anonymous and secure online. VPNs can assign two types of IP addresses, dynamic and static. Dynamic IP addresses change each time you connect. This makes it harder for someone to track your activity over time. Static IP addresses stay the same for every connection, which can be useful if you need to access certain services that only allow specific IPs. When setting up a VPN, administrators configure a range of IP addresses, called an IP address pool. For example, they might assign addresses from 10203040 to 10203050. This way, each device gets a unique address within the network, avoiding conflicts and making routing simple. The IP address you get from the VPN allows your device to act as if it's part of the private network. This is especially useful for accessing protected resources like company servers or databases. The VPN encrypts your data, so your IP address and information stay safe from outsiders. When you connect, your device's local public IP from your internet provider is replaced by the VPN's IP. This switch is what gives you privacy and security while browsing or working remotely. Understanding how IP addresses work in VPNs connects to larger internet concepts like network routing and domain name system resolution. The VPN server itself is hosted in data centers with their own IP addresses and network setups. The VPN's IP assignment acts as a bridge, securely linking your device to the wider internet through the VPN server's location. This process is fundamental to how VPNs keep your online activity private, secure, and accessible from anywhere.